Hello guys, today my Nintendo DSi is not hard reset. I'm going to press the hold down buttons at once. And you see, it just goes straight on this health and safety screen, which I don't care about. But this DSi has focal flickering at this side. The focal flickering. The screens are a bit yellowish, but that's alright. Okay, so let me try and turn it off and turn it back on. No, maybe the flickering problem is about the DSi itself. So the bottom screen is touch screen, top screen is not touch screen. It's making me return to the menu, and I can't click on anything because the top screen isn't touch screen. Let me turn it off. Alright, let me try that again itself. What is going on here? Why does this... Is there a problem with this system about the screens? Or it may be the top screen or the bottom screen. The top screen isn't touch screen, but I have... Oh, actually, I went on Picture Chat. Let me return to the menu. How weird. Why does this DSi not hard reset? Doesn't go on DS software as well. Let me try and pressing start and select, and let's see if that goes on DS software. Oh. It's making me return to the menu now, which is really weird. Let me just... Somehow the person who had it moved all the applications over there at the back right left. But when I start the DSi camera, sometimes it does glitch. And turn. Okay. Turn off the DSi and then turn it back on. Why? Is there a problem? Is there a problem with itself? It's still not hard resetting. If I go to the system, you know, maybe the touch screen is not being calibrated properly. My calibration didn't work. Touch screen complete. It says calibration complete. Touch this symbol to test the calibration. Now it looks like it's been calibrated, so I'll click. Okay, the touch screen has been calibrated. What's the problem with this? Let's try if the touch screen has not been calibrated properly. Oops. Turn it off. Right, so it definitely doesn't like it with the touchscreen not calibrated properly. Is there a problem? There may be a problem with the system or something. There's still a bit. Probably if I got to insert an SD card. Let's see if an SD card. So it's got a micro SD card inside it. If you want to see it, let me just take it out. I'm going to show you it, guys, if people want to see it. Most people had micro SD cards. This is just a small micro one. It sounds like there's, and you can't really see it. Let me zoom it in so you can see it. Alright, so zooming in doesn't help, it's still really blurry. Weak? This is so pretty weak. But it's an Ultra SD. There's a problem with the camera. So this is my micro SD card. Pop it back in its original one. Let's try an SD card. No SD card. Oh, stuck. It's stuck inside. I can't get it out. This one's coming out more. Oh, there we go. So luckily it does come out again. Let's try it with an SD card. And if one with an SD card doesn't work, it's not going to be fixable. Yep, it's not going to be fixable. So unfortunately, you cannot repair DSi's that you cannot hard reset. Okay, thank you for watching.